the fan favorite is 10:35 a.m. Good morning. Oh my god, I'm so hungry and I'm so tired. I don't even know what time I fell asleep. I'm so tired. It's no joke. I'm about to pass out again. What time did I sleep? Tyler, you're so funny. She was doing this like a drop the beat. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I wasn't gonna make her watch her cartoon until 12, but I don't know, we'll see. Where's your mana, Mom? Turn me on some mana. This is my life, mana! Give it all to me now, Mommy. Are you praying? No, 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 no. 찌찌. 찌찌. 엄마 뺏긴다. 못 봐. Twilight, how'd you get up there? Can you come down, Twilight? How did you do? Oh my god. Of course you would. Are you gonna come down? You gonna stay up there, Twilight? Okay. What do you know? Boyfriend's here. Where's the sudden? What? So many thunderstorms in under 2 minutes. What's going on? My boyfriend here, by the way. Why there's so many thunder over there?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. People always send me like crazy weird porn shit sometimes. Like, you know, my mentions they're messy. Y'all just
Almost sounds like airplane crash.
I think it's time to go have some dinner. We're gonna go on a little date. All this ball sack talk has me fucking hungry. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back later this week with some more crazy ass makeup. Mwah. See you guys. Bye, guys.
What's going on? Did you hear that? What the hell? quick H&M haul for baby. I got this for Twilight. It's called the limited edition. It's a pink dress. And then this really cute red dotted dress. Loa, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And this really cute dress. Oh my god, look at this. Lovely dress. The prints are like this. Last one is I got this for Twilight. Look at it, so kawaii. The texture is, I'm not sure, it's satin or something. Look boy. You look so cute, Twilight. Where you going, my baby? What? Did you say pug you? Oh. Twilight, that's cussing, don't say that. I think mommy heard it wrong. Yeah. We're outside and we saw like 2 thunderstorms, and one of the thunderstorms was like split in 3. I don't think I've seen it like that before. Maybe I just don't remember. That was crazy. Yeah, we're in Renton right now. Trying to get some errands done. Yeah. The thunderstorm went all the way to the north side, which is Linwood and Shoreline, and they were affected pretty much with this whole thunderstorm. I think there's going to be a thunderstorm here. I don't know if they have already experienced it, but that is a lot of rain. Oh, I just saw a lightning. I was shocked because I was trying to record the thunder, and first time I didn't press the recording button. I feel like I'm in a car wash. We're getting free car wash. I was supposed to sleep, but she woke up. This rain is crazy, guys. What's with today's weather? Hopefully my boyfriend's not walking in this rain. Wow. Free car wash! Woo! Seriously, the rain is just getting heavier. Oh! Heavier and heavier. My goodness. Turn of thunder. Holy. I took Twilight out of her chair because it was raining like crazy and she was getting scared, and so I'm letting her walk around. My boyfriend needs to get some paperwork done around Renton, so that's why we're here. Hi Twilight. Is it yummy? Yummy. Yeah. Boyfriend has his deploy at 6 and a 6:05. The traffic is so bad, you guys. My boyfriend is losing his patience. He's going crazy. I feel so bad for him. He said he's gonna be there 5 minutes late, and now it's like 5 minutes now. So he feels terrible. I feel bad because we were trying to go get Starbucks, but then he could take the other lane. If only he didn't know there was this bad traffic. Yeah. So, oh god. Freaking A, that guy is jaywalking with his bicycle. Almost crashed into this little piece of bicycle. Carefully, please. So it's funny because I ordered Uber Eats and terrible traffic, and I was hoping that when we get there, like maybe 10 minutes away, and then ta-da, food, right? But I just saw the delivery, my Uber Eats delivery. Like, I didn't know the type of Uber Eats right here. I didn't know that, and so that is crazy how I thought I saw her carrying our food. Like, I know how she looks. Her name is Karen. Oh my god, that's so funny. So there was a traffic here because the lights are off right now, and so they're taking turns to go. And there was I think because of the crazy wind and thunderstorm, I think the lights went off. All the lights went off, so everyone's trying to take turns right now. Hopefully this pad thai will be good this time. Last time it was way too salty. Hopefully it's not too salty this time. Twilight? Ayo! You look so cute in your skirt. You're so adorable. Dun, dun, dun. Are you not gonna take your nap at all? Our power went out and then it came back on. Oh. Whoa, I saw that lightning. Oh, that was crazy. It was like, pew! That was a real looking lightning. Is there gonna be a thunder noise? Oh, that was not bad. But dang, you guys, this all day is just thunder, thunder, thunder. I'm watching Mira's live. Adam is so adorable. I was trying to make Twilight watch Adam, but she was like, "Mom, I gotta watch this cartoons first." Oh my god, Adam is so adorable. Just so you know, if you guys are new viewers to my vlog, welcome. And also, this is Adam. He's half Korean and half Malaysian. He's so cute. He's in his same year as Twilight, although his birthday is first. So you're gonna call Adam Oppa, even though you guys are the same age? You're the month apart, so you're gonna come Oppa. I wish I could go on a picnic. Twilight, look at Adam. Twilight, Adam. Twilight. Like I said, paying too attention. Twilight. Twilight climbed on the bicycle thing and then she just decided to sit there. What? She's laughing because she made it. Having fun there, Twilight. She seemed to like this chair a lot. Twilight. Oi! 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 Hi.
Be careful! Be careful when you go down. You can do it! You can do it! Uh-oh, I think the internet is not doing so well, Twilight. I think your internet isn't working. Oh no! Uh-oh, Daddy's in trouble. Daddy needs the internet. I think the internet is down. Good job, Twilight. Wow, all by yourself.
Twilight. Twilight. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Boyfriend came back with the midnight mint mocha frappuccino. Finally, I'm trying it. So, yeah, it looks like it looks really crazy. It looks like the inside the ground or something. First of all, it's really refreshing because I was just cleaning the room. I was sweating. This is good. It doesn't taste like Andes chocolate. Well, almost a little bit, but this, you know, Andes chocolate, their Andes chocolate are very strong, but this one is not strong. Really good. Bing! It's dark chocolate and mocha. Yes! Yes! Such pretty colors. I like how I'm showing it to you guys next to the toilet. So appetizing, right? I am still in the process of cleaning at the moment. So far I cleaned this. Do you guys like this? This is one I got on the 40th anniversary for Disneyland. Got this blanket then. Although I don't know if this says 40th anniversary, but almost done cleaning. It's 10:54 p.m. Let's see. My ovulation is supposed to start in 2 days, but apparently it started today. Yeah, crazy. They say that you can tell if your discharge is sticky, like an egg yolk kind of smoke. And for the first time I saw that, I didn't know that it looked like that, so now I know. Yeah, I know it's gross. TMI. This channel is all about TMI, TMI, boom, 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 boom. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna just end my vlog here because I think I did a lot of video clips, so I said I was gonna keep track of that, but yeah. By the way, the midnight mocha, oh my god, so good. So good. I love it. I hope they keep this. This is seriously good. Anyway, thanks for watching my video, guys. Good night. Bye bye. I was hearing knocking noise, like viciously. It's not that old. Do I really want to watch the intro? Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it looks. Blue and dark? Why is the blue there? Volcano? That's it. I think it's annoying. This pizza coming out of the box and then I cut it with my knee. Look at that, how monstrous it looks.
You scratch yourself.
Two times. And I also dreamed that my brother also got into a car accident. I guess we won't do much walking. We'll go back after this. Munching on it like crazy. And I told you. That's your lightsaber, although